So I said, great, we will be loading a U-Haul next Friday starting at 5 p.m. at our house and the storage unit next to Lockheed. I can let them know more specifics later. I just want people to like have some heads up. I don't want to like last minute it and go, oh, by the way. That's why I'm doing that. You know? All right, are you on, your guys?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, Brittany.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. I have to confess, I didn't do what I said we should all do yesterday.
I think I probably forgot. What did you say?
That we should do it like we're taking the test, so we should fill out all 3 papers, and I didn't doing it right now.
Oh.
But it's all good.
I've just been working on the exam questions. I didn't even. You said it was in the notes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the diagram, did we do anything with categorical or no? It's just the quantitative for now, right?
I don't really understand it. I guess not, because we've only done quantitative.
Yeah.
Do we just write like mu equals whatever?
On below the the 4th row down that's blank.
Just like, so it says like statistical test, quantitative, 1 sample,
Uh-huh.
thing known,
Uh-huh.
and then
And
what do we
below
write in
that,
that box?
I don't know.
Because I would put all the stuff in that box, I feel like.
Yeah.
The one below it where it says details.
Details.
I just printed it out because I was like, I have no idea. I thought it was going to be a little bit easier. But then they also have the other sheet, which is pretty much the same thing, just easier to understand for me. But we've only done up to ANOVA. We haven't done 1 proportion or 2 proportions yet, right?
Right. Just ANOVA.
And that's probably the categorical.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, it's proportions.
What are you guys looking at?
So if you go to the notes
Okay.
for
And then.
this week, and go down, he'll say something about, he'll have this hyperlink where you can click on it and download these 2, like, Word documents, and then you can print them out.
The statistics methods table and flowchart? Okay.
Yeah. Did we want to do the review together?
Yeah, let's. I didn't do the sheets either.
Okay.
I mean, I looked at that diagram and I didn't really know what to put in it. Again, like you, I like that table better.
Yeah. The table just makes more sense to me.
Yeah.
I think it's just whatever we like better. Because it's the same information, just different way of putting it. That just tells you if it's one sample or two sample, but I don't know. All right.
All right. Let's do this. Brittany, did you do some of this review already? Lesson 15?
Yeah, I got to number 22.
Oh, all right. You can give us all the answers.
Dang.
But I can't guarantee I have all the right answers. The calculations I probably do, but the ones where it's like which confidence interval and stuff, I don't know.
So number 1.
Maybe.
Hold on. Number 1 would be A.
Mm-hmm.
Let me pull it up. I got confused on that one, and then I just put D.
They always have a start with "we are 90% confident."
Yeah, there's no, you don't want the word chance in that phrase.
Okay.
And C is just too vague
Yeah.
because it's saying no matter what, all 90%.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let my cat outside.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, so this would be they're independent of each other, right? Because they randomly selected 20 females, 15 males.
Right. Yeah, if they're different quantities, there's no way they can be dependent.
Yeah. Would you put B?
That's what I put. Because I didn't know if the central limit theorem applies to it.
I mean, it's together it's above 30.
Right, but you have to do each group separately. So as long as the QQ plots come out to be normal, then it would be required.
So would it be B then, or A?
In the
B.
information that they give us, yeah, because it says that they found out they were approximately normal.
Yeah.
then that's why I put B.
Okay. And then did you put D for number 3?
That's what I put.
So on 4, you'd put B, right?
Trying to find that. I never can remember.
I put B. Because for some reason I remembered if you have a bigger sample, it's supposed to make it smaller, the margin of error. Like, wasn't sure.
Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Sorry. Is it 1.96 or
Yeah, it's 1.96.
Sorry, I'm really slow.
Okay. I was surprised that I got to number 22 because I worked way later today. And so I came home and I was like, wait, what if they already have it done? And so then I jumped on it and got that far.
I'm back.
Oh, I didn't even know you were gone. I can't see it.
Oh,
I
man.
have the
So-
view up.
Sorry, Brad, we didn't miss you.
I was like, he's just quiet.
I thought you were working.
No, my computer, my laptop is so dumb it like restarts on its own, and then we'll do some updates, and so it kicks me out.
Yeah, mine does that too, so I always have to make sure that I restart it when it's telling me, oh, hey, I'm going to restart soon.
So for 5, did you get A?
Yeah, but when you guys did that one, did you get those exact numbers? Or
Yeah.
did you get a little off? Okay, because when I did it, for some reason, I kept getting 98.04 and 101.96, which is kind of the same, so I just put A, but I don't know why.
100 or did you do 1,000?
I did 100. Was I supposed to do 1,000?
1,000, yeah.
Okay, then that makes sense.
I'm like writing down stuff right now that would be good.
Yeah, I'm putting like notes on the side. Yeah, I don't know why I did 100, because it says 1,000 right there.
All good.
What's the formula for a confidence interval again?
It's X plus or minus Z times the little O thing. So whenever we're going to square root of
Standard deviation, right? That's what it is.
Okay.
I'm learning.
So in my AP Stats class, she called it like a pig's butt because it had like a curly thing. And so that's what I want to call it every single time I see it.
Just make sure you attend the meeting tomorrow night, and then mention that to the teacher in the whole class.
Yeah. I'll be
They'll
like,
find that funny.
can we call it? Well, he's probably watching this right now, so.
I'm curious how many videos he watches a week.
Yeah.
I really want to know. Oh, I emailed him and he gave me the 100%. So,
Okay.
like, I explained it to him and I was like, yay, thank you.
Wait, what?
Because remember how I messed up on the quiz yesterday and put the
Oh,
same.
yeah.
Yeah, so I explained it to him and told him the correct answer.
Gotcha. Good, good. I thought you were talking about the one that we both got 40% on. I was like, seriously?
Oh, no. Hey, I think something's wrong with my 40%.
I know. I was like, how did you do that?
The only thing is I don't see any. I didn't see any of the questions that were like on that quiz in the review, and I was hoping there would be, so that
Yeah.
we would go over it together, but I don't see it. So I'm wondering if it's actually going to be on the exam. I'm sure there's going to be at least
I kind of just want him to give me a few problems just with the T thing, like that one, because I don't know why, but I always get the wrong answers.
Yeah. What I don't like about reviews is that it helps you review over the material, but then you jump onto the exam thinking it's going to be kind of like the review, and it's nothing like it. Like they throw different questions at you. I remember my high school teachers would always be like, it's very similar to the exam, and then you, or the exam's very similar to the review, and then you take the test, and it's nothing like it.
So sorry, just to catch up. 5, you put A. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry, Brittany. I feel like I'm going so slow.
No, it's fine. If I were doing it right now, I'd be going extra slow. So I feel like that's why I do it ahead, because I don't know, so that I understand it. And I don't know. I'm not making sense right now. Don't listen to me.
All good.
Did you get 6 already, Emily? And
Yeah,
Brittany?
I got C.
See, the
Yeah.
38416.
Yes.
Yeah.
What number are you on, Emily?
I'm working on number 9.
Okay.
I can't. Even though we just did a NOVA yesterday, I forget everything about it.
Yeah.
I didn't have that in my class either. So that was all new to me.
What'd you get for 8? I'm thinking like p-value is larger than A,
Less than.
less than.
For
Now, why do we say that?
Because so if you have a 0.05 significance, then you want it to be the p-value to be less than. It's always
Mhm.
the p-value to be smaller.
Smaller for it to be significant.
Yes.
Okay.
Small to be significant.
What'd you guys get for 7?
I put A.
Me too.
Okay. I wasn't sure about that one. It's just because it says it, the alternative and the information they gave us, right? Or
Yeah.
Because it says the tenant group thinks that the apartments are smaller than advertised. So that's why we put A, right?
Yeah.
Because they think that, so they think that it's smaller than 1250. Sorry.
Okay. No, it's fine.
I'm like trying to find the numbers. So it would be that one.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure because I got confused on that one.
Like 1250 is the greatest,
Yeah.
the true mean. I just can't figure out 9.
So I'm gonna put A as yes.
That's what I put.
Okay.
Yeah. No, yeah, that one's for sure because I read it.
Okay.
Because those are the requirements for an ANOVA.
So remember,
The variances, not the standard deviations. And I know
Right.
variances have to do with standard deviations, but but it needs to be
Well,
with the QQ plot. So that's why I was like, what about the QQ plot though?
yeah. As far as with the QQ plot, um, I don't know. It's just to me like the other answers don't.
Don't make sense.
It doesn't really fit.
Yeah.
Now, I mean, there's no answer key to this, is there?
No, because these are the same exact questions that we're gonna have to turn in for our group quiz.
but are we still talking about 9?
Yeah.
I read it because I went back to lesson 14 and found the requirements. Here, I'll look for it right now.
And does it say bell-shaped or does it say normal distribution? Well, I guess bell-shaped is normal distribution,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. And that's what it said. Normal and hold on, I'm looking for it. So the requirements are the data are normally distributed in each group, and then the variance are equal for each group.
Yeah, I would put A. So the variance or the standard, is it the standard deviation that is the variance squared, or is the variance the standard deviation squared? I think if you square the deviation, that's the variance.
I thought it was the other way around.
Isn't?
Yeah.
But either way, if they're nearly equal, it'd have to be 4 times greater for it to. But yeah, I don't. That may be helpful on the quiz or the test to know which is which. You know, which if the variance is squared or if the standard deviation is squared to get the other.
I hate type 1 and type 2 errors. I always get them confused.
At first, for number 10, I put A because type 1 is you reject the null even though it's true, I think that's what it said.
Yeah.
But then it has C and D, and then I noticed she doesn't have a p-value to compare. Like they don't say it. I don't know if she does or not because they don't say anything. So then I put A or D. I don't know.
So she rejects null hypothesis.
Yeah, because they're giving us the significance level, but they're not telling us what she found for her p-value. And
Yeah.
so we don't know if it was true or not because they're not giving us that.
So yeah, I don't know if it'd be A because the type 1 error, like to actually commit the type 1 error, we would need to know the true mean, or like the true
Yeah.
the true mean, which we don't. So I would not go with. I mean, that's where it would fit. It's possible to commit the type 1 error, but do we actually know for sure?
We don't have proof of it.
Yeah, at least that's what I'm thinking.
And then it's not C because changing the significance level is kind of pointless with the information we have.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a weird question. So I would go with D, but I'm with you, Brittany. I mean, it could be an A or D.
Yeah.
I really hope there's not a question like this on the test because it's like, what do they want to get out of us? They
I feel like it's more A.
You think so?
Yeah. But we can put a question mark next to it and put A or D. And then when we're in the quiz, we can figure it out. And then
Oh. Yeah. Okay. I'm with you now. I reread the whole problem, and I would go with A as well because she rejects the null hypothesis, and then later in the future they determined that the new treatment did not increase survival time.
yeah.
And so she did commit something. So yeah, type 1. All right. Thank you. Did you get that, Brittany?
Yeah, that's what threw me off between A and D was the last information they gave us.
Because I've never came across D before.
Yeah.
And the information at the end suggests that it should be type 1 error.
Yeah. And then again, type 1 is where you reject the null hypothesis when you shouldn't.
Yeah.
Yes.
And type 2 is the opposite, where you fail to reject the null hypothesis when you should.
When it's false. Well, you failed to reject HO when HO is false.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man.
This one's D.
Yeah, that's what I put, D.
It would be large. So it said I think it's D because it says in the textbook if the alpha level, the probability of committing a type 1 error is very small, the probability of committing a type 2 error will be large.
Right. Because they're like opposite. Or,
Yeah.
or making one smaller and make the other bigger.
Yeah, so D says by reducing the probability of committing a type 1 error, we increase the probability of committing a type 2 error.
Yeah.
Is that what you guys put? Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought
Say
you
D.
said B. And I was like, I don't think that's right, guys.
Emily's like, man, my group is totally off.
That's not what I was thinking. I was like, why am I getting all these things wrong? My mom doesn't want a pool in her new house.
Does not want a pool.
Yes.
In the house, or out the house, or just with the house?
All together.
I don't want a pool.
Yes.
Inside, outside,
We have a huge 250-gallon fish tank right now.
it's like a pool.
It's like a pool. And I could fit in it,
It's bigger than my
but
bathtub.
we're selling it on Craigslist. Well, kind of.
Business model. Is it big enough for a pool? 1,000 feet. We got 2-story, 3,000 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 3,000.
Why do you need that big?
229,000.
You don't. You're downsizing.
That is huge for peanuts.
Peanuts?
Peanuts. That's money.
Oh. I was like, what are you saying?
So on 12, did you put B as in Bravo?
Yeah. I like how you.
Why did you guys do that?
How did you do that though for 12?
I was going to try to do a formula, but I couldn't find my equation. And so if you look at the standard deviation, 0.17 on either side, and if we get a sample mean of 1.53, we're only 0.03 away from the mean, which is well within one standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
And to be greater than a 5% significance level, meaning like it'd have to be way out there, I figure that's within the 95% of the mean.
Sounds great to me.
What I did, it was probably not the right way to do it, but I still got B. I just took 1.5 and put it in the probability applet, and then got 0.0668, which was higher than 0.05,
Oh,
and so
yeah,
then I
that'll
put
work.
B. You think so? You think that works?
I think so.
Because the standard deviation is known.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So the applet would work, would apply.
Okay. 'Cause I wasn't sure what to do with that one.
Um, 13 would be D.
Oh, I didn't get D, but I got mad at that one and
Oh.
couldn't figure it out.
Because it's random sample for each group. And you want to see if they're
Wait, no, I did change it. No, wait, no, I didn't. I changed that on the other one. So it's independent?
I would say so. Wouldn't you say
Yes.
so?
Yep. Yeah. Independent because it doesn't give any reason to pair up one male with one female.
Yeah, it's not like
No.
husband and wife or anything.
Right.
And they want 2 individual random samples.
Right. Yeah. So, yeah, where they didn't give any reason to match it up, and I mean, you could, right, yeah, where the two individual random samples, there's no rhyme or reason to the order. No, they'd be independent.
It's not like they're like, oh, let's pick this girl and then her brother or her cousin.
Okay. Makes sense.
D for 14.
That's what I put. That's the only one that made sense to me
Yeah.
and sounded smart.
I don't know, I'm looking over it again. Let's see. So, what's the main question that they're asking about? Is interested in academic achievement. I would almost go with C.
Well, I think the difference between dependent and independent sampling is whether or not the the one has anything to do with the other. So
Right.
you know how like it says for B, knowing the brothers included in the study tells you nothing about which sisters are included in the study. That would be false because it says exactly why you're doing that. So if you select a brother, it's saying you have to use his sister.
Right. But the reason I'm thinking C, because obviously dependent, we've narrowed that down, but because we're comparing a sister's academic achievement with her brother's academic achievement, it depends. Like, because I don't know, uh, I've seen that wording and phrase before. Depends to some degree on, and then it goes with the paired match. I don't know. I'm gonna put a question mark on that one, and maybe. Now, did he say we could ask these questions to the group tomorrow? I don't know if he would let us or not, and give us an answer, but I'm putting a question mark on 14.
Okay. Dissolved organic. Oh.
So for 15, are you putting B as in
Boy.
Bagheera?
Bura?
Bagheera.
I don't even know what that is.
On Jungle Book, that's the leopard, lion, panther. Not
Oh.
lion. That's the panther. His name, Bagheera. Brittany, you're laughing.
You also have kids. Probably watch Jungle Book.
So, for 15, what are you putting?
I'm putting B.
B.
And then 16. I'm putting D as in dog. I always hate when so I had to call like Samsung because our refrigerator wasn't cooling for some reason, and that's what kind of refrigerator we have, and they were asking for the serial number, and I hate when I'm put on the spot to figure out a random word to go with each letter, because I always use the most bizarre ones because I can't think of the normal ones.
L as in Liberia.
I use lion.
J as in Javier.
I get all fancy.
Javier starts with J?
Yeah, it's Spanish.
Oh.
Yeah.
I always thought it started with with H. But I had an American Girl doll when I was little, and her name was Josephine, but her name really was Josephine. But that's how I thought it was, because that's how it was spelled. That was phonetic. Holy cow.
No.
What are they wanting on this? Where's group 2? Oh.
You're putting 17 D as in delicious.
Yes. That's more normal than the Jungle Book leopard. However you say it.
I will next time. I'll think of a Disney character for next time.
Okay. D as in Dalmatian.
There you go.
So it's just a 2-sample t-test?
Yeah.
And then it's a long list.
Bless you.
Thanks. What did you guys get for 18?
E?
C?
Yeah.
What's your Disney character?
Casper. I don't know if that's Disney.
You like mine? Mine sounds like it should be an S, but it's C. Because I said Cinderella.
Oh.
I think I'm funny.
Wait, did you say Cinderella?
Yeah. That's the
I want to
first
see
one that
that. When
popped in
does
my
that come
head.
out?
What?
You know when that comes out?
Oh no. Is March or May?
Yeah. Something like that.
I know it's with an M.
It's probably March because it's sooner.
Yeah.
Man, there aren't any one sample t-tests. What is this?
What do you mean? You can have a one sample t-test.
What?
Are you wondering if it is a one sample t-test or?
No, I'm saying that there has been none, and those are the ones that I usually have problems with. And so now I can't.
Well, I'm wondering if 23 is. Because I'm trying to figure out if what kind of test it is. I can't figure it out.
So just to confirm, you're doing E as in Prince Eric or 19?
Wait, I
Yeah.
haven't gotten that part. Well,
Oh.
yeah, E, as in Prince Eric. He's my favorite prince. My friend is really artistic, and for my 16th birthday, um, she drew a picture of him on the note that she gave me. And I was
Aw.
They want to know the test statistic. Isn't it the F statistic?
Yeah.
I didn't get any of the ones that they put.
What number?
20.
Got E.
I got C as in Cruella.
I got 7.624 though.
Do you think you missed one of the numbers?
I don't think so. Let me double check though.
Brittany, what letter did you get?
C.
C
As in cat.
as in Chester.
Yeah.
You know, Alice in Wonderland, the Cheshire cat, whatever.
Yeah. Cheshire cat.
Yeah.
The Gulf, east or west?
West. I just copied and pasted it.
Make sure the first and the last numbers are they looking the same?
Yeah. This is the exercise bone density density, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I probably would put that as my
That's
answer
close.
because it's closest.
Yeah. The only thing I can suggest or try is to close out that Excel file, open it back up again.
Yeah,
To make sure that like the formulas are not tampered with.
yeah. Reminds me of being on an airplane. That word, tamper.
Oh yeah.
Not to tamper with the
Yeah. So
whatever
when you,
thing.
since you are a globetrotter, at least let's say in the United States, what's your preferred airline?
Southwest.
Okay, good. Mine too. And why do you like Southwest?
You get to pick your own seat.
Not only that, you get to pick who you sit by.
Yeah.
Most of the time.
Which is the whole point, and it's free luggage.
Yeah.
Whereas other ones, you have to pay a super high price for
And
whatever. You just don't want to have a connecting flight that's too short, or else then you get there super late and don't get to pick who you sit by. And you have to sit in a middle seat.
Yeah.
In my case, by two over-large men.
Not just large, but over large.
Oh, I still got the same answer. I don't know why.
Do you want me to read off the numbers that I have to double check?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so group 1, starting with 611, 621, 614, 593, 593, 653, 600, 554, 603, 569.
Okay.
Group 2, or variable 2, 635, 605, 638, 594, 599, 632, 631, 588, 607, 596.
Wait, 596. Why is it 596?
I don't know, I just copied and pasted. So cell number 21, or row 21, that's the last one on the low jump.
Yeah, I got 635.
635, I don't have a 6. Oh, so that's the first one on, that's the first one in the, on row 12 is 635, but row 21 it has 596. Maybe your Excel file was tampered with.
Maybe. So, 635 is the.
That's the first one in the variable 2 column.
And then it goes 650, 622, 626, 626, 631, 622, 643, 674, 643.
And that's 650. So I think you have. Do you have 596 at all in row 2 or that variable 2?
No.
Okay, so that's the missing link. And then there's only one 635, and that's in group 2. And then group 3 starts with 650 and ends with another 650.
So okay. Can you read me the last one from variable 2?
Yeah, 596
And then it goes.
to 650.
And then.
622. This is in group 3 now.
Okay.
650 starts group 3, and then 622, 626, 626, 631, 622, 643, 674, 643, and 650.
Okay, my thing was just canceled somehow. Because now I have the right answer. Goodness.
I'll bet it was a Russian terrorist, just messing with us.
A Russian?
Well, I guess he could be Czechoslovakian.
What about Ukrainian?
Yeah, that's kind of a, the boundaries are so mixed up over there, right?
You don't know which one's which?
Right. I don't think they do either.
Yeah. Let's just not say that to them. And this is airing live, just to let you know.
Oh, that's right. Anybody could come on and make a comment. So if there's any Ukrainians or Russians out there, we love you all. Just get along.
Everyone's a child of God.
What number are we on?
So for 21, I got B.
Yeah.
B as in
Batman.
Bernard. He's not a word.
Bernard is Disney.
Or
But
Beauty and the Beast.
There we go.
Belle.
What's the name of the bear from the Jungle Book?
oh, Baloo.
Berenstein Bear.
Yeah. No.
House has a pool.
Sorry, Mom.
Dang it. What is wrong with these people in Florida?
They like pools.
You gotta have a pool.
Maintenance of
And
pools.
white kitchens.
It has a white kitchen.
Seriously.
Obviously, it's not the perfect house.
No, it's not. You're right.
We're really searching for a house right now, so.
All right, so on number 22,
I put B.
That's what I put.
so
Okay.
let's see here. I'm gonna put E as in Eva,
Why are you gonna say insufficient?
because we are testing the null hypothesis. So what we test has to go against the null hypothesis. So there is insufficient evidence to conclude that at least one of the groups is different. So it's the same wording except using insufficient, meaning there's not enough information to validate the alternative hypothesis. Now, if it was rejecting the null, then we would say there is sufficient evidence.
But
But-
we are using,
Because it is rejecting the null,
yeah,
right?
it's
Is it?
Because it's
under
Martin.
the
Oh, that's right. That's
value.
right. So
So then it should be one of the sufficient ones.
It should be Belle.
not Eva.
Not Eva. Or you could say Ella Enchanted. That's a good movie.
That was a good one.
I liked how they put Queen all throughout the movie. Direct flight. Yes.
All right. Okay. I reason it. So 22. Well, 23. And this is where you're at, right, Brittany? 23.
Yeah. I wasn't sure about this one. Because for this one, you're finding the differences, right?
Yeah, so it would be dependent.
Okay. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, so 23. Did you already determine what you're going to put for 23?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. Cinderella. Nice. What's another C character? o'clock, I think.
So when do we start our project?
I think it's next week.
That's no fun.
Yeah. I just started a 1 credit class on Monday for the second block, and it's set up so weird. Like, there's no discussion boards. I don't even have like a real instructor. There's like no instructor information for the folder. It's just like got my assignments, and then that's it. Like, it doesn't show any folders organizing it. It's so weird. I'd have to like.
Class is it?
Huh?
What class is it?
Career exploration.
I took that one. It's so easy.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you have to do for the career research and interview? Do you interview someone or?
Yeah. Just
Okay.
whatever.
Okay.
I got 100% in the class. Like it was.
Okay. I'm not too fond about the interview though. I hate doing interviews.
Oh, I just emailed someone.
Oh, are you able to do like just someone who's in the career that you're interested in? Like if it were a family member or a friend?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
I didn't even do one that I was interested in.
Yeah.
I just did. So I did someone who's a labor and delivery nurse, and then someone who's a pilot.
Because I
And
was
they're
scared.
both from my ward, so.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do, but I was scared that you would have to like actually go onto a site or something and interview. I don't know.
Nope. We're good.
Okay.
Oh, we need a different significance level. Oops.
I'm trying to do that.
Okay, so did you guys get for 24?
Alfred?
The apple that, who eats an apple? Cinderella?
White.
Snow White. That Snow White ate. Did you get an apple?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
What character starts with an A from Disney? Aladdin.
Aladdin. I was thinking Aladdin, but I was thinking his little creature.
Oh,
Abu.
Abu.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Abu.
Oh, you want to hear something funny? I did
What?
a musical in middle school, and we did Aladdin, but it like the musical like they changed it up, so it wasn't like totally how Disney did it. And the monkey was named Alakazam, and guess who is the monkey in the play?
You?
Yeah. And we had like this design person that did like the costumes and stuff, and my director made it seem like she was like this expert at costumes. No, she was terrible because she put me in her little her son's past Halloween costume that had like a monkey head on top of my head, and it was terrible. I was wearing these bright blue pants and this pink sweater with this gold like necklace while having a monkey head on top of mine, running around making monkey noises.
Awful. When I was
Yeah.
in 4th grade, we did a Renaissance play, and my mom made my Renaissance dress, and I still have it in my closet. But my mom's really good with sewing and stuff, so it turned out really cute. I was like a villager in the play, but the guy that I liked and that liked me at the time got to be like the main part, and I wasn't, and I was really sad.
Oh.
Was there a kissing scene?
No, it was 3rd grade.
Oh, yeah, I guess I don't do that in 3rd grade.
Did we want to start Did you guys finish?
So what was, I didn't do 26.
I got Dumbo.
Dumbo.
I love you. You fix my refrigerator. Our refrigerator hasn't been working for like 3 months, and I called Samsung to get it fixed. You just had to press 2 buttons to get it fixed.
So for 26, why'd you say it was insufficient?
Because the p-value is higher than the is larger than the alpha.
So I got the p-value as lower.
What did you get as your p-value?
I got
0.096.
yeah
That's why.
B
But that's
as in,
higher.
Yeah, because I see what you're saying.
0.1.
Because if you round it, if you were to round to the 9, wait, no, I still don't get
No, it's still lower
it.
because
Yeah.
the significance is 0.1 and our p-value is 0.096, so it's just a little bit less.
No, it would be equal. Because 9 goes up to 10, so then you would get 0.10. So then you get equal, but that's still.
Just kidding. You guys are right. I was thinking it has to be 0.01. Like,
Okay.
less than that. You're right. Sorry. I was thinking something completely different.
So then
There
I
is.
put B.
Yeah, B as in what's
Barbosa.
Who?
Barbosa from Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that is Disney.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
I feel like going to like Islands of Adventure or something right now. You guys should
All
come.
right. To come to Disney World.
No, Islands of Adventure. It's so much better than Disney World. It has the
Okay.
new Harry Potter stuff there.
Oh yeah. That's the
I-
talk
I've
of the
been to
town.
go. I just want to go to Florida and go to all the amusement
You can
places.
stay
It's
with-
only
we have rooms
only
in
about a. But do you have a pool at your house now? That's my main question.
yes.
Hey, I gotta have a pool.
We have a pool and a hot tub and a fish tank and 2 or 3 empty rooms.
All right. So should we take this? And are we confident that it's the same questions?
I am 100% confident that it is the same questions.
Whoa, no, 0 margin of error, huh?
0.
Whoa, that is. Said
Said it in the notes though, so that's where I'm getting it from.
so the only question mark I have is on 14. What was the question
Yeah.
for 14?
For 14, I was thinking the answer. Hold on, let me pull it up because I was starting to think it's C as well because it says the word depend in it. I don't know if that changes it, but if it's dependent and it's saying depends, I don't know. I was trying to read and find it, but
But is it really the achievement is dependent, or is it
The relationship.
the relationship is dependent? Because it could be like a.
So I would say the achievement is because if you were to change, if you were to change her achievement, and let's put it on a number scale. Let's say she got a 9 and he got a 4. If you were to change hers to a 10, then that difference or the measure would be different.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm going with C.
Okay.
Because we're really just measuring the difference between the two.
I'll pray about it.
Okay. All right. Meeting. All right.
We'll
Did
see
you already
what.
start? Did you already open it up?
Yes.
Oh man, it doesn't have A, B, C, D.
I wrote it.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't write it down. Hold on. I'm gonna pull it up. I didn't write it down for number one. A was we are 90% confident that the true mean heart rate is between 45 and 105.
Yeah.
Is that the first option? Because I already forgot it.
Yeah.
Okay.
oh man, it's messing me up that now the numbers are off by 1.
Yeah.
Because of that first question.
They're all in the same order though.
Yeah.
Wait. For number 13, which is 14 here, it's an independent samples test. Yeah.
13 to 14. Yeah.
Okay, just making sure.
Oh, man, I know. I gotta make sure.
Okay. Is it okay if I submit mine?
Go for it.
Okay. I'm always so scared.
I think I got it right. Did you submit it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna submit mine. I think I got all these right. I'm just worried that I put them in the wrong order. You know, I was looking at one and I put in the other.
Oh, gotcha.
There we go. Oh, rats.
Did you put them in the wrong order?
No. I mean, I only missed 3, but
I missed
anything. How many did you miss?
1.
So maybe I did get 7 in the wrong order. Brittany, did you submit yours yet?
No. I'm about to submit it. What did you guys put for 14 though? That won the. Hold on. Not 14, 15 on.
15 on the quiz?
Yeah, the one where
Yeah.
we're gonna pray about it.
I put C, that it was depends to the degree of
Okay.
the achievement. Are you going to put that?
Yeah.
I
Was it-
wouldn't put that if I were you.
I put D if you want to put D.
Do what Emily did.
So we were right. Oh, well,
Man.
I would.
Yeah, you were right all along. So, did you submit, Brittany?
Yeah, I got a 96.
That's what I got.
All right, so
So for 13 on the quiz,
yeah.
we probably should have done the actual.
Oh, because that's the
Yeah.
one I was like, oh yeah, it's close enough. Yeah.
And I was like, oh yeah, that's great. Like, I was like, okay, move on, next question. So I was like, great, I don't have to do the work for it, but I guess we should.
We should have.
actual test.
Yeah. Huh.
How would you calculate that one though?
I think you would just, so you get the T, which is, how do you get the,
Wait. Because you
Well, 'cause
know
they give
the standard
I
deviation.
mean, you get the Z score.
Oh, and then we put the z-score into the thing. Oh my goodness, because isn't it the 1.53 minus 0.17? Or no, 100.
It's X minus mu, so it's 1.53 minus 1.5 over
The square root of the deviation.
point
Yeah.
one
The square.
divided by the square root of 100. So that would be,
Oh, that's right. That's right. So what was the p-value then?
then we have to go to the normal probability applet.
And put in the z-score.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess we should.
I totally forgot about that one.
I just didn't think, I was like, oh man, you have to put it all in that. I thought we would have to pull up Excel for it for some reason. So I was just like, I didn't want to do the work.
Oh, you know what? So I missed 18, and I think I was, because I meant to put D as in David, but I put C instead, which it was the next one.
You could email them, like how I did.
Yeah, it's all right.
No, you should email them, because you should get the score that you deserve. And so I calculated number 12/13, and I got 1.76. And then, but what are we looking for in the applet? Greater or less than?
What does it say on there? It says mu is greater than, so greater than. So then
yeah.
it would be 0.0388, and that's less than the 5%.
Yeah,
So reject. I see. Okay, that makes sense.
we were just lazy.
It's all good. We won't be lazy on the
That's my
test,
fault.
right?
Yeah, don't be lazy on the test.
Man, I'm scared because he didn't put any of the tea stuff in there.
Oh, I
I'm
know.
gonna get it wrong.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh.
I feel like it's only gonna be like one or two out of all the other problems. So I'm okay with it.
Yeah, it's
As
not
long
like
as it's like pick 5 or 6 of the problems. That would really make me upset.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else we want to discuss this evening? Do we want to meet after the group session tomorrow? The
airing
class?
this stuff.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
I can try. I can't guarantee I'll be
Oh,
able
yeah,
to make
too.
it.
So what institute class is it? Like what are you studying?
DNC.
Okay.
Right
Okay.
now, I think we're in section 84. I think 84 or 86. I can't remember exactly.
Around there.
Yeah.
Mine that I'm supposed to be going to is during DNC too. I don't really
And
know.
you aren't going. Why?
Hayward at home is like an hour away. So
Oh.
I go for like church and then I go for FHE, but I'm like, I don't want to go 3 times a week. And
Wait, it's the ward building is an hour away.
the YSA one is, yeah.
Oh, the
My home
YSA.
ward is like only 10 minutes away.
Oh,
But
that is a long way.
YSA ward is because there's the closest college to us is about 45 minutes away at USF,
Mhm.
and it's like close to the
So your
USF building. So
your stake doesn't have one for the whole stake?
no, we have one for 3 states.
Whoa.
Yeah, Florida's kind of spread out with Mormons.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have a lot of YSA wards. I have one that I'm supposed to be going to, and it's in San Bernardino. And I don't want to go to that one because I don't like it. And so then I'm going to the one that's in Rancho, which is like 15 minutes away from me.
Oh, that's nice.
One in Huntington. We have one in Moreno Valley, and I'm naming all these places that you probably have no idea where they are.
I've heard them.
I know where 1,000 Oaks is.
I don't know where that is.
45 minutes outside of LA.
Oh.
Place I've been to, and well, I've been to 1,000 Oaks, so LA, and then I've been to Stockton.
Yeah, I've been to Stockton. That's kind of Northern California.
Yeah, but the first time I went to California was a year ago, and I went to Stockton because that's where my brother was doing his internship at. So we went to San Francisco and stuff one weekend.
Yeah.
I've never been to Northern California. I want to go to San Francisco so bad. I'm trying to get a group of people to go in the summer, but I was going to try to go to a college up there, an art college, but BYU Idaho came through better.
BYU is better anyways.
Yeah. So I can just email you guys when I know for sure if I can make it or not, so that you know if you want to send the invite to me or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right, you guys have a good night.
You
All
too.
right. And then you're posting this, right, Emily?
Correct.
Awesome. Awesome. Awesome.
Yes.
Okay. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you guys
Okay.
later.
Good. Bye, guys.
Bye.